it's a pretty good day for me today. Just finished eating lunch, so hopefully I don't have anything in my teeth. I forgot to check. But I did a thing, and I don't usually get into controversial stuff. I usually try to stay really clear of that stuff on my channels, but I was compelled to do something. And I tend to try to stay low-key on the political stuff. And I'm not trying to be political. I'm just sad about all this. Okay. So I got this off of eBay. And I like to shop at eBay now because I realize that a lot of people on eBay are just people selling stuff. Like they buy stuff in bulk and they sell it off of eBay. So I'm not buying anything directly from Amazon or any of those. I'm finding really good deals on things on eBay because, you know, I'm frugal, so I'm always trying to find a deal. So I decided to get myself a beautiful flag, and this is what oh, I thought it went this way. Well, it goes this way. It's the wrong, I thought I got the one that went sideways. But, well, I have to figure something out because, well, if I can get my flagpole to set the right way, it'll work. But I want to put this up. It's not as big as the American flag. And I think it will look nicer in my garden. Because I'm going to put it over the side, out to the side, not in the front. I think that's probably too much for some people. So I'm going to hang this up when I get a chance to figure out where to put it. I have a general idea of where I want to put it, but exactly, I'm not exactly sure. So stay tuned to see where that goes. We have another unboxing to do. This is something I ordered. My new cell phone. I have to make sure it's going to be compatible with my carrier. Supposedly it is, but you never know. Take a look at it. See what kind of condition it's in. There's my new cell phone. Okay, now we need to contact Xfinity, see if we can switch my service over.